one goal. 2 boys, 1 goal.
You guys stop moving. I'm trying to film this.
I can't wait to go on the ferry.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to Weed Bay and we're gonna film a drywall.
Yep, we're getting our drywall. First day of drywall.
I know, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Me too. Me free. Me for. Cabin's gonna be done before you know it.
Jordan has been working so hard at Woodby, and I've been working so hard at home taking care of everything else. The day has finally come that drywall is going up. Jordan's been working so hard. He's been working on it for like 3 weeks to a month, just like grinding it out. I know. Like after work some days he's headed out there. Every weekend. It's been a lot for our family, but it saved us like 10 grand or something, so it was totally worth it.
That's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
That's a whole lot of money.
So me and the kids are headed out there. Hopefully we can get some good shots. I'm kind of nervous about like getting in the way of the drywallers, but they can't be mean to me. We're paying them, so yeah. We'll see. I guess if they are, then we'll get it on film. Do you want a full blast or?
Yes, please.
There's some brown water coming out of there. Do you just do like one building, finish that, and then move on to the next?
We're kind of active on both.
Oh, nice.
Probably more done than this last year.
Oh, wow. All right, cool. With how fast these guys work. Like, this looks so good. So sweet.
Now we're robbing toy stores. At midnight tonight, we're hitting Duncan's Toy Chest.
What are you guys watching?
5 floors of cash. Then after that, we grab a couple of
We're
passports.
watching Home Alone 2, Lost in New York.
Shut up.
In July. Home Alone 2 in July.
Maybe a
Home Alone is an all-year-round type of show, honey. Yeah.
get him to the subway.
We duct taped our hands. Hank isn't done yet, but I am. Look.
Such a beautiful day. We decided to stop by the beach before we headed home. And he needed a burp, so had to get him out of his car seat. But the kids are just so psyched. It's so cute. Hey guys. Nice. June, you still have your homemade cast on?
Yeah, can you get me?
Oh, Junie. You taking a video, hey?
Here. He wants some. You like that? You like that? Hey.
You like it, huh?
Mom, we should let him sit like by himself.
Oh, he loves sitting with you though. Come here, Sticky Bandit. Let's get that off of your wrist. Wow, June.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and pet a puppy.
June thought that dog over there was a cat. She goes, Mom, look, a cat.
I know. I was gonna say, it looked like a cat though.
So
did.
funny. A cat that fetches.
Look, it's
There it
finished.
is.
You're gonna go pet that cat. Dude! These are all their friends. This one.
Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, I like that a lot. The first one. That'd look good in your
Would
oh,
be,
baby wants it.
would be saying.
Yeah.
And then I found this one.
Ooh, I love that. Yeah, those would be really cool.
Can
in
you take care of
sport.
these for me and not let
Sure.
baby get them?
Yeah.
Thanks. Just put them right there. I'm gonna go look for more things.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you trip or are you just falling down on purpose? Oh, good. Your brother is so weird.
On the island.
Oh, don't eat it. There's a candy left on the island. Oh, Bubby, we don't eat sand. We don't eat sand. No, we don't.